good day to all of you ladies and gentlemen. Here I am again, Chef Wenda George with Loreto Cooking Studios dan Berhad. Today what we are going to prepare is the fried chicken chop with black pepper mushroom sauce. So let's see what other ingredients are. Come on guys. Okay, first of all, if you need to prepare the fried chicken chop, you need the chicken thigh. And then you need the corn flour, eggs, about 2 pieces, and then 1 cup of breadcrumb. As for the marination, you need the salt and pepper, the seasoning, and then the chicken stock. And for the frying purpose, we need the cooking oil. Okay, the first step, we take the chicken thigh. Okay, we put in the salt and pepper. Okay, like this. And then you need the seasoning sauce. It's about ½ teaspoon, as well as the chicken stock. It's about 1 tablespoon. Mix well until it well combined. Like this. You can marinate this mixture. It's about 5 to 10 minutes. But I'm going to show you the next step, which I use the corn flour, the eggs, and the breadcrumb. You need to put it on the coat with the corn flour like this one. Take out the excess flour. You put on the eggs. And then once again, you put on the corn flour. Make sure it's well coated to make sure to improve the texture of our fried chicken chop and to make it more crispier and crunchier, and as well to improve the taste. Okay, and then the next step that you need to coat with the breadcrumb. And then what you can do with this, we marinate it about 5 to 10 minutes. While waiting for our chicken to be marinated, we need to prepare the black pepper mushroom sauce. Come on, let's do it. Now we are going to prepare the black pepper mushroom sauce, and I will show you the ingredients after this. Okay, here you are. The ingredients are the mushroom. Okay, you can use any type of mushroom that you like, but I'm using the shiitake mushroom. You need some cooking oil. You need some chopped onion. You need the black pepper powder, as well as the Italian herbs, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, the seasoning sauce, the oyster sauce, and a cup of water. The next step. Okay, let's do this together. It's very, very easy that you can prepare at home. Whether you can prepare at home to serve your friends or family, or you can make it, sell it online. Pour in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And we're going to stir fry the chopped onion. Stir fry until fragrant. Yeah? And after that, I put inside the shiitake mushroom. And I put in the Italian herbs. The black pepper powder. seasoning sauce. Okay, control the fire, and then I put in the oyster sauce. Put in some water. Okay, don't forget to dilute the corn flour with some water to thicken the sauce. Okay, and improve the texture of our sauce to make it more tastier. Put in the corn starch inside the sauce. We turn off it and we set aside. And the next step, let us cook the fried chicken, the chicken chop that we prepared earlier just now. Make sure the cooking oil is prepared and preheat before you fry the chicken chop. You ready? Okay, let's start. Okay. Don't forget, safety first. Okay. It looks like the chicken is already well cooked, and what we should prepare, then we prepare the kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. Okay, we assemble the chicken chop. I'm going to put the sauce on top of the chicken. Now, with the sweet smell and our exotic smells of the shiitake mushroom. And aha! I can hardly wait for this moment where I can taste our fried chicken chop. Smells so good. Do you want to try it? Okay, let's try it together. Ooh, it's so juicy. Juicy and crispy. So crispy, and the sauce really match with our chicken chop. So guys, you should try this and come to our Loreto Cooking Studio Restaurant Berhad and learn how to cook this, the fried chicken chop with the black pepper mushroom sauce. So see you again in the next video. Bye bye.